Hey y'all, it's Dan Ryan, and today we're going to look at the Donner 001P Strat copy. I can see it on this little tablet here, but I've never seen the guitar. We're going to open the box and see what we got. And so without further ado, why don't we do that? Most important piece of equipment for these videos. That's Leo Ryan behind the camera there, by the way.
Hi, everybody.
So we have the infamous box inside a box. Back to the knife. Says Donner. Got some very strange guitar hands on the box. Probably won't affect the playability of the instrument. Guitar strap. Guitar cord. Not a bad little gig bag. What did this guitar cost?
$100. It was 109 when I bought it, but they're now 99 as of today.
Okay, so such a deal. Packed pretty well. You can already feel some very sharp edges on the sides of the fret. Just pulling it out of the bag. Very sharp. So sharp that I would suggest you be careful when you unpack this thing, because you're liable to slice your fingers open. So I've never seen this before, silica gel on the little wrapper for the string. I guess that could help in keeping the strings from rusting in transit. little piece of foam to cover the switch. We got some plastic around the pick guard. It's also covering the pickup, so I'm gonna have to take it off. We'll make sure we get it all so don't have any plastic covering into the elements of the pickup. Like here and here. Yeah, this whole pickup is covered. Okay, it looks like we got all the plastic off. Oh, piece there. Well, the guitar itself, the finish looks nice. This is supposed to be what kind of white?
Vintage.
Vintage white. It's more like a, kind of yellowish. I mean, that's what happens on a white finish over years, is that it gets yellow, but it doesn't get this yellow. But for $100, I guess close enough is close enough. It's got one volume and two tone controls. It's got a regular 5-position Strat kind of switch. It's got this
ebony.
This is ebony. This doesn't look like ebony. This looks like rosewood, if anything.
No. It says it's ebony, but I'll take your word for it.
No, I don't think it's ebony. Ebony is black, black, black. This looks rosewood colored. I don't know.
Well, maybe it's mulatto ebony.
Could be, but I don't think so.
Okay. So they lied about the ebony.
I gotta tell you, folks, these fret ends are so sharp that I don't even want to play this guitar until we try to take them down a little bit, because I got gigs to play. I can't be cutting my fingers on the edges of frets of inexpensive guitars. So we're going to check its tuning and do a couple of things that we might need to do to get it just to be playable, and then we'll come back. But this is it, the Donner, whatever it is. Maybe it's on here.
Electric guitar.
It does have a string action ruler, a cardboard string action ruler. Never saw that before.
No, that's pretty cool.
And then it's got a chord chart. How to play the basic guitar chords on the other side of the string action ruler.
Awesome.
So,
Well, the student who receives it will probably get a lot of use out of that.
we'll leave those on. Just the chord charts are going to be a lot more useful than the string action ruler at first, but any little bit helps. So
How is the action? It looks pretty good.
I'm telling you, I don't want to play it. I mean,
it's the height.
it feels fine, but anyway, we're gonna see if we can dress the sides of these frets a little bit and tune it up, and then we'll be back to you.
Okay.
See you in a minute. Okay, we're back. We had to do a little work on the neck of this guitar just to get it to the point where it was safely playable. It's pretty much the worst fret job of any guitar we've ever reviewed. which really is a shame because the guitar for $100 is not a bad guitar at all. But if you are a kid or a beginner and you get a guitar that is dangerous to play, first of all, you may not even know that it's dangerous to play. And secondly, you probably wouldn't know how to rectify that situation. And we just took it out and dressed the frets, the ends of the frets, and guitar plays fine. In a minute, you'll hear a little tune, kind of an iconic tune, played on this kind of guitar. Before we finish up, I want to let you know that it does come with a strap, fabric strap, says Donner on it. Comes with a rubberized 10-foot cable. Your whammy bar is in here. It's got a Allen wrench for the truss rod adjustment and one for the bridge saddles. So it's pretty much a complete little set. Already told you about the little chord chart that's attached. For a beginner, that really could come in handy. It also comes with a OK gig bag. It says Donner on it. For $100, again, like most of the guitars we review, hard to complain about it. Although I would, if I were the purchaser of this particular guitar, I would have been very unhappy about the fret job, because the fret job was actually, before we fixed it, dangerous to play. I mean, you could slice your fingers pretty easily with the ends of those frets. All in all, it's the only real complaint I have about it. The switches and the knobs all seem to work, and the only thing you can do about these is see how long they work and how well they work. But at the moment, they're all working just fine. The tuners are no-name tuners. They look kind of like Grovers, but they're not. But the guitar tuned up and stayed in tune long enough to play the little tune that you're going to hear in a minute. And this is the Donner. Let me get this right. D001P SSH Strat copy. In, what is the color of this?
Vintage white.
Vintage white. So one more in the box, or in the can, or wherever it went. I'm Dan Ryan. This is Leo Ryan behind the camera. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit the little bell icon to get notified of future videos that we do. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for listening. And we'll be doing another one soon. See ya.
tell you, Dan really did not like that guitar because of the fret ends. It turned out it was not a bad guitar after I addressed the frets for him. But, you know, first impressions. In any case, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. By the way, I know there's going to be a lot of people who say something about Dan's rendition of Voodoo Child Slight Return. Listen, he never played that song before in his life. Before that, he didn't even know I was recording. He was just warming up. I think Dan is awesome. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell icon to be notified of future videos.